In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a filter in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a useful filter visible to your teammates so everyone can work from the same view without rebuilding it from scratch. First, open the part of Pipedrive where the filter actually lives. Filters are tied to what you're looking at, so head to the relevant entity list. This could be your contacts, activities, leads, or whichever list the filter was created for. If you built a filter for contacts, make sure you're on the contacts list. If it's for activities, switch to activities, and so on. This ensures you'll find the correct filter in the next step. Look toward the top right of that list and click on Filters. This opens the filter panel where your saved filters are organized. If you have a lot of them, don't worry. This is where you can quickly locate the one you want to share. You might see default filters, as well as filters you or your team have created. Now, hover your mouse over the specific filter you want to share. When you hover, a small pencil or pen icon will appear. Click that pen icon to open the edit view for this filter. If you don't immediately see the icon, move your cursor slowly over the filter name and give it a second to appear. In the edit window that opens, you can adjust the filter's name and its visibility. This is a great moment to give the filter a clear, descriptive name so your teammates instantly understand what it shows. Something like high-value leads this quarter can go a long way. Next, change the visibility setting to shared. Setting it to shared makes the filter visible to other users in your Pipedrive account so they can select it and see the exact same criteria and results. Keep in mind that what your colleagues see still depends on their data permissions in Pipedrive, but the filter itself becomes available to them. That's it. Once the visibility is set to shared, your work is essentially done and the filter is ready for your team to use. If you ever need to undo this, just return to the same edit window and change the visibility back to a private option. As a best practice, keep shared filters tidy and well-named, and consider adding brief naming conventions so your team can quickly identify which filters are for personal use and which are shared views. You've just learned how to share a filter in Pipedrive quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.